We are videoing. Videoing. They're hiding in the shade of the rose bush. They're eating rose petals. Two silly puppies. Granny's rose has climbed this tree. Oh, it smells so good. So you see the branch of the tree and it almost looks like flowers are on the tree. Come on, you guys. This is an old house, probably built, I don't have an exact date. Early 1900s. Let's see how they built it. I'm going to tear this down. I'm going to use some of these boards for my shutters on my new house.
Why are you crying, huh? Why are you crying? That's the best it's going to get without a water.
Okay. We'll get a few pictures over there. They're having a good time playing with the weeds.
Oh, yeah.
Smelling the pretty flowers. There's just flower petals everywhere. Wouldn't it be sure to count our puppies and name them one by one, make sure we got everybody back in there. I know the cattle are aggravating Maggie.